Hello, I'm Dr. Abhay Chopada, and I am experienced in both gastroenterology and surgical practice. With advancements in surgical techniques and anesthesia, same-day hernia repair has become an increasingly popular option. This comprehensive discussion will help you understand if outpatient hernia surgery is right for your situation. We'll explore the benefits, potential risks, and key considerations that should guide your decision. Through understanding these factors, you can make an informed choice about your hernia treatment approach. Let's review what a hernia is and why it requires treatment. A hernia occurs when an organ or fatty tissue squeezes through a weak spot in surrounding muscle or connective tissue. Common types include inguinal hernias in the groin, umbilical hernias at the belly button, incisional hernias at previous surgery sites, and hiatal hernias in the upper stomach. Surgery is typically recommended to prevent serious complications like strangulation, where herniated tissue loses blood supply, potentially leading to life-threatening situations. Same-day hernia surgery offers several significant advantages. The minimally invasive techniques result in less post-operative pain and quicker recovery at home. Spending minimal time in the hospital environment reduces the risk of hospital-acquired infections. This approach is generally more cost-effective than inpatient procedures. Many patients appreciate recovering in their own homes, leading to more comfort and faster return to daily activities. The enhanced pain management strategies and improved anesthesia methods make this possible. Not everyone is a suitable candidate for same-day hernia surgery. Ideal candidates are generally healthy individuals with uncomplicated hernias and strong support systems at home. However, patients with complex or large hernias, significant underlying health conditions, or those living alone might not be suitable. Your surgeon will carefully evaluate your specific situation, considering factors like hernia complexity, overall health status, and available post-operative support. This assessment ensures the safest and most appropriate treatment approach. The experience of same-day surgery often surprises patients with its efficiency. Instead of a lengthy hospital stay, patients typically spend just 2 to 4 hours in the surgical center after their procedure. Recovery at home allows for more comfort and familiarity during healing. Having family support nearby often contributes to better recovery outcomes. The streamlined process makes the entire experience more manageable for most patients. Modern surgical techniques have transformed hernia repair into a remarkably efficient process. Patients often find that recovering at home provides better rest and more comfortable healing. The gradual return to normal activities follows a predictable pattern that most patients find manageable. Following post-operative instructions carefully leads to optimal recovery outcomes. Professional guidance remains available throughout the healing process. Think of same-day surgery as the express service of hernia repair. You're in and out faster than a weekend shopping trip. While we do all the repair work, you get to recover in your favorite chair instead of a hospital bed. It's like having your car serviced. Drop it off in the morning, pick it up in the afternoon, just follow the maintenance instructions. Modern surgery has certainly come a long way from the days of extended hospital stays. Following proper post-operative care instructions is crucial for successful recovery. This includes managing pain effectively, keeping the incision site clean and dry, and avoiding heavy lifting for several weeks. Gradually increase your activity levels as advised by your surgeon. Attend all follow-up appointments to ensure proper healing. Remember to follow pain management and wound care instructions carefully. Your surgical journey is as unique as you are. By staying informed and engaged with these various resources, you're not just learning about same-day surgery, you're preparing for a better recovery experience. So keep reading, keep connecting, and keep exploring your treatment options. Until next time, this is Dr. Abhay Chopada, reminding you that when it comes to hernia surgery, knowledge truly is power. Happy learning, and here's to the successful recoveries.